Hi everyone, it's Ryan from Foxtecc, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up voice control on your iPad. Voice control is a fantastic accessibility feature that allows you to navigate your device using just your voice. It's a really helpful tool for many people, and the good news is that it's simple to set up. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, you'll see a section called Physical and Motor. Under that, tap on Voice Control. From there, you'll see an option to set up voice control. Tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. It's pretty straightforward, and once you're done, voice control will automatically be turned on. You'll know that voice control is active by the small blue indicator that appears on the screen. This indicator will stay on as long as voice control is enabled, meaning your iPad is always listening and ready to follow your commands. It's a nice visual cue that you're in control. One of the cool things about voice control is that you can fully customize it to fit your needs. If you go back to the voice control settings, you'll see an option called Customize Commands. This allows you to create your own voice commands, including custom gestures. For example, you can create a tap or drag gesture on the screen and assign it to a specific phrase. It's a great way to tailor voice control to your unique needs, and it's also a lot of fun to experiment with what you can create. And don't worry, if you ever want to turn off voice control, you can go right back to the same settings page and easily disable it. It's just as easy to turn off as it is to turn on. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. See you later!